I am like this. You can see. Happy. Calm enough. Happy enough.
Can you say it again?
Happy enough for what?
Happy enough for what?
For being there. For being there in the here and the now. This is a good question. Thank you. Next question, please. You know, adult cannot ask questions like that. Yeah. It's a wonderful question. How are you? It's a real question.